see the rain? This is the first time the babies get to see it, huh, Carlos? You want to look? Look. See? It's raining. Come on, Carly, come look. Go look. He wants to feel it. You want to touch it with your hand? It's raining, Carly. That's rain. Carlos is so cute. He's sticking his hand out. No, Carlos. It's wet. No. Go back in. What are you doing? He never listens. Oh, you want to touch it? Okay. You want to touch it? Feel the rain. You too? Careful. Then you got to come back in. Uh-oh. Okay, no more. Come on in. Say bye. Bye.